Jury trial skills are few and far between in the world of personal injury. Frequently, people looking to hire a personal injury lawyer in Las Vegas have no idea about who to hire, or more importantly, who not to hire. Beyond the obvious factors of comfort level, good former client reviews, perhaps the biggest issue a consumer should inquire about is whether their choice of counsel has the experience and ability to litigate and try their case if necessary. People are understandably unsophisticated in this regard. It makes sense that they do not know who is the best to hire, given that most of them have never had to hire a lawyer before and therefore have no idea as to what criteria are important in choosing a personal injury lawyer. Jury trials involve a skill set that the vast majority of lawyers do not possess. Many Las Vegas lawyers who hold themselves out as personal injury lawyers have zero experience in picking a jury, questioning a witness, or making a closing argument in front of a jury. Therefore, it is vital to make the right choice when selecting a personal injury lawyer for your case. Jury trials consist of a few basic stages. First, there is the process known as jury selection. This is where the judge and the lawyers question the pool of prospective jurors and determine which of the potential jurors could fairly evaluate the case and apply the law the judge provides them before they deliberate and decide the case. Second, after opening statements by the lawyers, both sides will present evidence which supports their case or undermines the other side. This consists of the presentation of live witnesses and the introduction of relevant documents into evidence for the jury to consider. During this stage, the lawyers both question their own witnesses and cross-examine the other side's witnesses. Finally, the lawyers will do closing arguments. During closing arguments, the lawyers highlight the points of evidence that they believe support their side of the case and entitle them to the jury finding in their favor. Of course, this is an extremely abbreviated description of what occurs in a jury trial. Jury trials are not as simple as this description would indicate. That is why it is critical that you have an experienced trial lawyer represent you or your loved one if you are injured in Las Vegas. Call the personal injury lawyers at Oronoz Ericsson. We have the expertise you need to obtain the best result possible with your case.